Year 8 Maths. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about equations. Solving two-step equations. The inverse of add is subtract. The inverse of subtract is add, the inverse of multiply is divide, the inverse of divide is multiply. The purpose of rearranging is to get the subject term alone and set the rest of the terms equal to it to solve the equation. In a two-step equation you will need to do this twice in order to be able to solve the equation. For example, rearrange to make t the subject. D equals 5t minus 7. First move the number by itself. The 7 is a minus, so the inverse will need to be used. The inverse of minus is plus. This becomes d plus 7 equals 5t. 5t means 5 times t, and so when the 5 is passed across the equals sign it will change to the inverse, so here we must divide. So to make t the subject we must divide the term by 5, and this result is shown. The first stage of a two-step equation is often to rearrange the equation before solving. As the name implies, there will be two stages. One stage will normally involving removing a term that is only numbers and then solving the term that has a number and a letter. For example, solve 25 equals 5x plus 5. First move the 5 to get the x term by itself. This gives 25 minus 5 equals 5x. Simplify to get 20 equals 5x. Then to get the x term alone, the 5 must be moved across the equals sign. 20 equals 5x. As the 5 is moved across, it changes sign from a multiply to a divide. This gives 20 divided by 5 equals x, therefore x equals 4.